Hey everyone, I'm Aditya and this is my CS50W Project Fun Wiki. It's basically a Wikipedia style encyclopedia built using Django, where you can view, search, create, edit, and even visit random pages. Let's go through all the main features step by step. Firstly, when I type, it will redirect me to the legal entry page, CSS. Now, if I try something which is not in our entry, it will redirect me to the error page. Like a request page was not found. Let's go back to the index. Now here's some list of encyclopedia entries like CSS, Django, Git, HTML, Python, which is clickable. Like for CSS and Django, Git. The next part is our search feature. Here is our search feature. Now if I search Python, it will redirect me to the Python file. And again, if I search just partial query like THO, it shows me the list of all the result that contains the substring. So it's Python for THO, and so Python shows here, and clicking the result opens the entry page. Let's go back to the index page. Now let's test the create new page. Now here I can see entry title and entry content. I have to give the name for the entry page. Let's suppose I give it a hello. And now I have to enter some markdown language here. So for here, hello word. And when I click save, it will be our new hello markdown file. And then when I go to the index one, now we can see hello in our index index page. Now there's a edit button. So every page has an edit button. Like here I can edit for CSS. CSS is the language used to style and page and all. And I can modify also. So for CSS, if I modify it, removing the full stop and save it, when I go to my CSS entry, there is no full stop, and then I can edit again and put the full stop again and save it. The CSS file have now the full stop. Now, the second last part, the render pages. When I click the render pages, it redirect me to the random entries. Like for Python, for this time, another then Django, then CSS. It is randomizing the every entry here. HTML, Django, CSS, HTML, and then we get the whole. One more thing that if the title of when we create the file is already in existence, like for Python, and now I type Python is my favorite language, and when I try to save it, it will show an error because the Python entry is already there. So that's one more thing I have to cover. Finally, all the entries are content is written in Markdown, and Django converts it into HTML before rendering. I use the Markdown tool library for this, as suggested by the problem, and that's it. This is my CS50 Wiki project in action. Thank you.